So this is the ASQ-3. It's administered to 12 months olds, and I wanted to show you how to score it. So it's pretty straightforward. On the first page here on the cover, these don't all need to be filled out. Usually there's a sticker telling the basic information about the child. Then after the parent has filled out the questionnaire indicating whether the child sometimes or not yet or is definitely doing all these different things relating to different domains of development, you go through and you score it so that anytime there's a yes, it's 10, a sometimes it's 5, and a not yet it's 0. So for this one, I usually just go through and write the numbers here. So this is a yes, it's 10. This is a sometimes, it's 5. Another yes, yes, 10, 10, and 5. So you sum up the numbers for each domain. So this is communication. The score is 40. So this one, again, it's 10, 5, 10. This is gross motor skills. And again, you sum it up. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 2 domains. It works the same for every domain of development. I'm not going to do all of them. Once you've summed up the scores for every domain, then you transfer the scores to a little graph on the back. So for communication, this child's score is 40. So you circle 40 here. And you just can mark it in there. Can you see that? Communication is 40. And for gross motor skills, I can remember the score was 50. So you do that for each domain, and then this graph will tell you if the score indicates no concern. And by the way, the higher the score is, the better it is. So if the score falls into the darkest range, then that's an area or a domain that shows that the child's at risk and follow-up is needed. If this score is in this kind of gray domain, it's an area that should be monitored. And if it's in the brighter domain over here, then there's no concern. The additional questions at the back, you just want to transfer what the parent responded for each of them. So for example, this one says, does your baby use both hands and both legs equally well? So you circle what they indicated for each answer. For the next one they said yes, for the next one they said no, for the next one no, the next one yes, no, yes, yes, yes. So, and basically if it's a bold, if you circle something that's bold, then it needs to be some follow-up. So for example, number 3, the child's feet are flat on the surface most of the time. This answer was no, so that requires some kind of follow-up, and that's how you would know. That's basically it for scoring the ASQ-3. Let's see. I know this thing doesn't work. Whoops. Here, my